How's Alfred?
What you'd expect. Took him 3 years to agree to a vacation, and Bruce turned up dead. He asked for some time.
He knows none of us were there either, right?
What about you? You let Jacob Kane give the eulogy.
He offered. He thought it'd be easier on us if he was the one to do it. He's Bruce's uncle.
Hell of a speech. All that talk about a protector who works behind the scenes. If he only knew.
Catherine wouldn't be there if she suspected. I can't see the anti-vigilante police commissioner presiding at Batman's funeral.
Here's something else she doesn't know. She has the body of Batman's killer in her morgue. Ra's al Ghul is listed as a John Doe, slated for cremation.
And what if the League of Shadows finds him? If they drop their dear leader in a Lazarus pit, he won't be so dead anymore.
You want to break into the GCPD headquarters for a what-if? Be my guest.
I decrypted the case Batman sent with his message. We should focus on that.
I looked it over, but did I get everything? It doesn't look complete.
I think Ra's interrupted him while he was writing.
He says this has implications that could shake Gotham to its core.
Ominous, but not exactly helpful. I saw a few places we should poke around. Construction sites, a quarry.
He also mentioned a Dr. Langstrom. Anyone know him?
He's a zoologist at Gotham University. Not sure what his connection is, though.
Let's divide up the work. We can meet at the Belfry when we're done. Get it up and running.
Who gets to talk to Langstrom?
Arrived at Gotham U. What do we know so far about this professor?
Kirk Langstrom. Batman attached a half-finished file to his code black. Langstrom must have been mixed up in something bad.
Then I'll pick up where Batman left off.
So we got a positive ID on this faculty dude, Kirk Langstrom.
Right. I'll call it in on the way to the morgue.
Damn it. Langstrom's dead. Do we know where his office is?
Langstrom's dead. Damn it. The note said his office is in Molten Hall, the 3rd floor.
Got it. 3rd floor balcony's open. Don't mind if I do. Here's his office. Hardly any police work here. Langstrom must have been killed somewhere else. Those marks look fresh.
You find anything, Batgirl? So far, nothing here.
Our professor is very dead. I'll let you know when I find the crime scene.
Good. Well, not good exactly, but at least a lead.
The real challenge will be getting out of here without the cops finding me.
Good luck.
That's a lot of damage. This must be where Langstrom died. The cops cleared out of here way too fast. Langstrom must have been working when he was attacked. Significant blood loss here. Evidence of a struggle, then the attacker pinned him to the wall. They were merciless. Langstrom was dying, but he tried to get to that cabinet instead of the door. What was so important? A hidden door. What secrets were you keeping, Dr. Langstrom? A thermostat would be a clever place to hide a keypad. Langstrom made sure to remember those dates. I should too. A phone number, but that's not a Gotham area code. Could be useful. Langstrom might have programmed his tablet to open the door. A microwave. I hope Langstrom wasn't combining burritos with genetic specimens. A movie poster in a science lab. Maybe the release date is important. Perfect. Time to see what Langstrom was so desperate to hide. Langstrom, what on earth were you up to? Batman's dead professor had some serious skeletons in his closet. Langstrom's workstation. I should take a closer look. Well, hello there. A hard drive. I need to get this back to Belfry. Then I can figure out your secrets, Langstrom. Hey, on my way back. The cops overlooked a ton of evidence. Weird marks on the walls, and apparently Langstrom had a secret lab. Hopefully this hard drive I found will have more answers.
Great! Can't wait to get my hands on it.
Great!
What's she doing here?
Freaks are here?
Gangs have been tightening their grip on Gotham since Batman stop showing up. The freaks want the neighborhood to know they're in control.
Gotham needs to see that someone still cares. I'll take care of this.
I can't focus on torching this place with all that racket! Turn off the damn fire alarm up there!
I need to handle these guys before this gets any worse.
Fire alarm! Die! Die! Die!
Quiet.
The average temperature when something lights on fire is between 424 and 475 Fahrenheit.
Hey, look up here! I'm a professor of...
I can probably stay out of sight here.
Are the fumes getting to you, buddy?
Smashy, smashy, smash, smash! Smash!
Nap time.
You burn now, grass. No one will mow you ever again. Oh. Oh. Whoa.
What are they even doing here? Huh?
Enjoying the fireworks.
This is terrible. It could bring the whole building down. Hostages. I need to hurry.
Just let me live. I have money.
Can anyone hear me?
Got awesome. Stop her! Broken out! Show her what we're made of. Time for a cookout. Got something for ya. Why aren't we winning this? Get over here and do something!
You were unbelievable.
Freeze! Don't move! Steve,
Broken. Let's see if you'll break too.
Get to safety. Go!
You're dead, hero! Take this!
Knights are on the way. What's your status?
I'm good. Looking forward to kicking back and decrypting this hard drive. Be there soon.